Hello guys, today we will learn about full course of computer hardware and components. Computer hardware full course. Step 1. Core components. Start by identifying the big five: the motherboard, CPU, RAM, storage and power supply. Understand how CPU acts as the brain while the RAM serves as the short-term memory. Step 2. The architecture. Dive into how these parts communicate. Learn about buses, chipsets and BIOS or UEFI. This is where you learn how a press of button turns into a logical command. The last step. Assembly and safety. This is hands-on. Learns about static electricity protection, thermal paste, application and cable management. Building a PC from scratch is the best way to understand its soul.